All right, welcome back. Math's easy, step by step. In this part 5 video, we're going to take the information that we organized based upon our linear equation, y equals 2/5 times x plus 7, from the following part 4 video, and where I explained that the value in front of x is our slope, right? M equals our slope. And since 2 is on top of the fraction, that's going to represent our y value. 5 is in the bottom part of that fraction, it's going to represent our x value, right? So a positive 2 goes up on the y-axis, positive 5 goes to the right on the x-axis. Also talked about how the b value, right, y equals mx plus b, the b value is always going to be our y-intercept, where our x value is always going to be 0. Your y value will be that b value. Here, it's 7. So our y-intercept, or another way to understand the y-intercept, is where your graph is going to cross the y-axis, right? This is a straight line. Linear equation's a straight graphed line. It will cross the y-axis at 0 for x, positive 7 for y. And that's going to be the first plot point or ordered pair we put on this graph. That's going to be our very first plot point, is the y-intercept. 0 for x, 7 for y. Then what we're going to do for the next plot point is we just follow our slope. We're going to go up 2 over 5, plot the point. From there, we go up 2 over 5, plot the point. Let me show you what that looks like. But again, let's first find that first ordered pair plot point, our y-intercept. All right, so let's take a quick, very brief review of our x and y coordinate grid graph, right? So here, right down here, follow my pen, right at the crosshairs where x and y axis cross is 0, 0. We always start at 0, 0. To the right are positive x values along the x-axis. To the left are negative x values along the x-axis. Going down the y-axis here are negative values, and staying at the origin 0, 0. Going up the x-axis are positive values. So let's find that y-intercept. It's at 0 for x. So I start here at origin is 0, 0. I start right here. I don't go anywhere for my x value. For my y value, it's a positive 7. So I'll go up to positive 7 right here. The linear equation or straight line will cross the y-axis right here at positive 7, right? It could go this way most likely, since I've already plotted some of these points to explain the next step. So once you plot your y-intercept was at 0 for x, 7 for y, then you follow your slope. You follow your slope. Our slope is up 2 on the y-axis, over 5 on the x-axis. So I'll start here at my y-intercept. I'll go up 2 on my y. I'll go over 5 on my x, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll plot my point. From this plot point, I'll go up 2 over 5, plot my point. Up 2 over 5, plot my point. I could keep going up 2 over 5, plot my point. And so that's how you're going to do this. Technically, you only need, I think, 2 or 3 plot points in order to draw your straight line, which I could do right here, right now. However, I want to show you something. I want to show you how our slope is not only positive 2 over positive 5, but our slope is also a negative 2 over a negative 5. Why is that? What's a negative divided by a negative give you? Positive 2 over positive 5, right? So we can go in the opposite direction. We can go down 2 and then over to the left 5. All right, let me show you what that looks like now. So you can see that here. From our y-intercept of 0, 7, you go down 2 in the negative y direction over the negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x direction, plot your point. Down to in the negative y direction over negative in the x direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plot your point, right? And so you can have a negative 2, negative 5 slope or a positive 2, positive 5 slope, right? I go here, it's a positive direction. Or I can go negative direction, negative direction, negative direction, negative direction. These slopes are interchangeable. So now we have our ordered pair plot points. You can see how how 0, positive 7 is going to be our y-intercept, because this graph is going to go right through the y-axis at 0 for x, 7 for y. You just connect these ordered pairs and you've graphed your straight line. After you graph your straight line, we can answer the question, which of these ordered pairs, A, B, C, or D, is on that straight line. Let me graph that straight line now. Okay, so as you can see here, we've connected all of these ordered pairs and we have graphed our straight line. And the title or name of that straight line is that linear equation in the problem, y equals 2/5 x plus 7. Now, is A, B, C, or D, which ordered pair lies on this linear equation? Or again, linear just means straight. Straight line equation. And so we can check A, we'll check A first. Starting at 0, 0, the origin, I'll go to 5 positive on the x. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 positive on the y. You can see this ordered pair is 5x positive, 9y positive. The answer is A. But let's check B, C, and D just to make sure. So B, x is 5, y is 0. I start at 0, 0. I go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the x. I go 0 on the y, so I stay right here. Is this ordered pair a plot point? Is it on the line? No. C, negative 5 for x, positive 7 for y. So starting here at 0, 0, I'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negative on the x-axis. I'm going to go positive 7 on the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the plot point here. Is this on the line? No. Let's take a look at D. 0 for x, 5 for y. Starting at 0, 0, the origin. I'll go 0 on the x. I'll go up positive 5 on the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this plot point or ordered pair 0, 5 on the line? No. So you can see through our second method, the answer still is A. 5 is x, y is 9. That plot point lies right here on the graphed line. So hopefully that helps. Thank you for joining me. Math's easy. Take a step by step. Check out part 6 video. It's going to be very brief, very short. It's internet suggested for worksheets with answers, so you can keep practicing your skills. If I've helped you, please help me help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe.